Silence also has a voice, but it's need a soul to understand it. When your intentions are pure, you don't lose anyone, they lose you. Never compromise your self respect for someone who doesn't know your worth. Always choose a person who gives you respect because respect is more important than love. Life is really nothing without love and care. Give it to everyone, but don't expect it back because it's a feel, not deal. Heal your soul needs healing from time to time. Self worth allows you to say no without creating a story to justify it. Life is full of surprise. Always be hopeful tomorrow because your miracle can happen any day. Every wave of life teach you some lessons. Value the person who gives you time. It's not a just time, they share a part of life with you. Before late night calls, unlimited texts. Now, sleepless night, unanswered texts. Only your pillow knows the amount of emotion we hide from the world. Some people always smile because they know smiling is easier than explaining why they are sad. Be happy with nothing and you will be happy with everything. Don't expect too much. Sometimes the reality is totally opposite of your expectations. Always hope but don't expect. Never cry for the person who doesn't know the value of your tears. When things really hurt you, they make you quiet. Dear God, today I am wake up. I am healthy. I am alive. Thank you. Enjoy every moment. Death is unexpected. Nothing is permanent. Accept everything with smile. A lesson of life, always keep one thing in your mind. Don't forget yourself while you are missing others. Love without reasons is the most beautiful one. Goodbye without reason is the most painful one.